we're just cutting through this branch here, and it's quite a heavy branch. If we just keep cutting through here, what will happen, the weight of this part of the branch will start to pull down before you've finished off the final cut, and as it pulls down there'll be a little bit of bark intact at the bottom, and that bark will tear down here, and so you'll finish your cut and there'll be a big tear underneath here, and you really want to avoid that. So the way around that is to make a little cut just here, an undercut just on the outside of where you're cutting. Here's what we're trying to avoid. When you make a cut right at the end, the weight of the branch just before you're able to make the very final cut pulls and then starts to tear away at the bark of the main branch. So that's what you're trying to avoid by doing an undercut first. It's just the weight of the thing that you're cutting pulling down before you've made your final cut, and the bark at the bottom is still intact. It stays on and off it tears. So parallel to the cut that you're making on the underside of the branch, just a centimetre or so on the outside. So that's what you're left with, that little cut there. Stopped it from tearing, and now all you need to do is finish that off nicely.